You can create tests to gauge progress and measure student knowledge. To begin, select Course Tools from the control panel, and then select Tests, Surveys, and Pools. Next, select Tests. If you have tests already created, you will see them in the next page, but you will want to create a new test, select Build Tests. Give the test a name and optionally a description with instructions, and when you're finished, select Submit. You can add questions on the test canvas page. Here you can create new questions by selecting a question type or by uploading questions from your computer, or the option to reuse existing questions from other tests. Also, we have the option to change some of the question settings, and if you want to enable adding images to the questions, select Question Settings and activate the Add Images, Files, and Web Links to the answers. Now, let's create a question. There are many types of questions provided to choose from when creating tests. Open the Create Question menu and select the question type you want to add. We will choose the true and false question. On the Create Question page, type the question in the question text box. Optionally, you can use the content editor to format that text, include files, images, web links, multimedia, or mashups. Then, select the answer's presentation, either vertical or horizontal. Next, select the correct answer. For question types that allow for automatic grading, such as the true-false questions, type responses for correct and incorrect answers in the feedback area. The Categories and Keywords area allows you to add metadata to the question to help you easily locate it later in the question finder. Use the Instructor Notes section to add notes about the questions that they are only visible to instructors. Then, select Submit and create another or submit to add the question to the test. The true-false question appears with a success message. You can reorder the questions by hovering over the left side of the question. When the cursor turns to a four-sided arrow, you can click and drag your question into the desired position. By clicking the Action drop-down menu next to the question name, you can edit, copy, or delete that question. Also, you can change the point value for the question. Click on the points to enter the new point value, and then click on Submit. Questions can be written offline and must be saved as a text tab delimited file, and you can edit this file in Excel or in a text editor and upload it into the Blackboard tests, surveys, and question pools. Once uploaded, questions can be edited and used exactly like questions that have already been created. Now, let's upload the questions. Open the Upload Questions. As the question submission format follows a very strict set of rules, the following information is important to note when you upload the questions. First, do not include a header row in the file. Do not include blank lines in between the records. The blank line will be processed and return an error. Include only one question per row. Correct, incorrect, true, false, and other words that identify answers must be in English. The system does not check for duplicated questions. Questions that do contain an error will fail to be uploaded. Here is an example of the format. The first field in every row defines the type of question. MC stands for question type for multiple choice. The second field defines the question text. The third field defines the answer text. And finally, the fourth field defines the answer, whether it is correct or incorrect. To upload, click Browse to locate the file. the type of number in the points per question field to set a default value for all questions, but individual question values can be edited at any time after the upload is completed. Click Submit and then click OK. When you are finished adding questions to the test, select OK.